What is this tool? What is this tool? Well, let's take a look at it. It's got a post in the bottom right here, and it's got a bit of a spindle right there. And then there's a this screw here opens and closes this, which actually moves this part of the tool closer to this, as you can see. And there's a small hole on the end of this metal plate. So this very small hole, so it looks like something would go in through that hole. So this tool is a complete mystery. It's very well made. It feels like it's stainless steel. As you can see, this plate moves quite close to this spindle and this end point. There's also a hole right on the end right there. So what is this tool?